Hi guys. Oh god, just look at the state of me. Don't even worry about what's going on behind me, guys. So I've literally just turned on the camera. I'm talking. Sunday nights always have me like this. I feel like I need an everything shower. I suddenly feel like I need a full reset, guys. I need a full reset. Tony is back tomorrow and I'm looking like this. I'm looking like this and he's back tomorrow. I'm not being dramatic. I just want to feel clean. I want clean bed sheets. I want clean hair. I just need a real factory reset. And so I'm doing an everything shower tonight, guys. I've decided I'm going to do an everything shower. We're going to wash the hair. We're going to do some skincare. We're going to freshen up the bed. I've washed it. It's all been washed and dried. And I'm getting my life back together, basically. I have been filming, so I have got videos in the pipeline, because obviously we've been off for a week, and then the other ones will need some time off because I feel like we need a full reset. Like I say, Tony's home tomorrow. Have I cleaned the lodge? No. Have I just been filming? Potentially. Have I just been editing? Potentially. Guys, I haven't worn makeup in like 4 days. I have not worn it, apart from being on camera. While I've been on camera, then I've worn makeup. But then as soon as that camera turns off, guys, I have no makeup on. So, I'm going to make this bed. I'm going to take Maisie for a walk. I'm going to take her for a wee. And then we're going to come back and do some skincare, get in that shower, and wash all this grime and dirt, shave my legs, shave my cooch, because Tony's coming tomorrow.
Doing a cute little voiceover. First time I'm using my DJI mic. Let me know what the sounds like, guys. So I need a reset of the lodge a little bit first before I do the reset of myself. Nothing deep clean situation over here. I'm not reinventing my life or anything, guys. I'm just putting a few things away, cleaning surfaces, making the area calmer, doing the sofa. I like to make sure this is done before I go to bed, putting Maisie's little cool blanket on there. Fresh bedding, guys. This is actually one of my favorite parts of the whole night. There's something about stripping a bed and putting fresh sheets on that just instantly resets my mood. It's like new energy, new mood and new mindset. I always think I'm going to hate doing it, but once I've done it, I'm like, why do I not do this every single day? And it just makes the whole room feel softer and calmer instantly. I swear nothing changes my mood faster than hair wash day. This one from Herbal Essence proper deep cleans my scalp. It feels like it's taking the whole week out of my hair. This fixes your hair instantly, and it's like it cleans properly without making your hair feel stripped afterwards. I love this shampoo. The Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. This one is always what I come back to because this always makes my hair feel softer afterwards. It really nourishes my hair without making it feel heavy, and brushing it is like a dream after using this. For body wash, I'm going to be using the Imperial Leather, Mallow and Rose, and this just feels really soft and comforting. It makes the shower feel slower, like actual self-care instead of rushing through it. These products from the X Tweely mystery bag, oh my god, guys, I've fallen in love with them. They are Korean beauty, which you guys know I love, but oh my god, I was not expecting to find these in the mystery bags. Thank you, Twee. This has to be my favourite part of an evening, the skincare. So I'm first going in with a Numbuzin facial spa cleanser. This is definitely like a little at-home spa treatment. I love this because it cleans properly without making my skin feel tight or angry afterwards, because I do have really dry, sensitive skin. It just removes everything from the day, but my skin still feels comfortable afterwards. It doesn't sting my eyes or anything. I have stopped chasing that squeaky clean feeling on my skin because I now realise that wasn't healthy for my skin or my skin barrier. That was just drying me out. But yeah, absolutely love this. I will definitely pick it up once I've ran out. I think you can get it on Yes Style, and I'm not sure, but I think you can get it in Boots as well. I'll then go in with the Numbuzin Super Glowy Essence Toner. This one is one of those steps where I instantly look in the mirror and think, okay, we're coming back a bit. It gives that fresh, hydrated glow that makes my skin look more awake straight away. I'll then go in with the Dr. Melaxin Pink Spicule Cream Serum. This feels like a treatment at home, like a spa treatment. It makes me slow down and actually take time instead of rushing my skincare. And I can definitely see the results that my skin has gone through by using this. I've been using this now for, I want to say about 3 weeks, and I'm absolutely in love with the Dr. Melaxin skincare. Don't sleep on them. They're really good, guys. The Dr. Melaxin Pigmentation Serum, and this is so very much my long game product. I like things that feel realistic, not overnight fixes, just consistency over time. And genuinely, since using this, I've been using this again for about 3 weeks, I can tell the difference in my skin, and I'm getting a bit more confident with not wearing makeup every single day because of these products, guys. Don't sleep on the Dr. Melaxin. So in this part of the video, I'm actually collaborating with a brand called Friend, and I'm using their LED light therapy machine tonight. And I wanted to properly include it into my routine because I've been using it quite a bit, and I've actually been really enjoying it. So the way I use it is pretty simple, really. I'll do all my skincare first, so my cleanser, my toner, my serums and all of that. And then I use this as my last treatment step before I do the moisturizer. It has different light settings depending on what you're focusing on your skin. So you can kind of choose the mode that suits what your skin needs that night. And then you just place it on, switch it on and sit there for a few minutes. I take about 15 to 20 minutes. I put a little bit of meditation music on and really feel like it's a spa treatment at home, even though I'm just laying on my bed. And I think what I didn't expect to love about it, it's not even about the skincare, it's the fact it forces me just to stop. No phone, no multitasking, no rushing around, just laying there. And I didn't realise how rare that is for me until I started doing it, because even when I'm relaxing, I'm usually still doing something else. So this has become my little focus, pause in my routine, and I actually really like that part of it. I then go in with the Dr. Melaxin Calcium Cream. This just feels really comforting. It locks everything in and makes my skin feel soft and calm. Okay, I guess it wouldn't be a full reset if we didn't do some nails, guys. I'm using these nails from Temu, and these press-on nails actually surprised me. I wasn't expecting them to be a hit or a miss, but they're really cute. And fresh nails just instantly make me feel more put together. The nail glue that I'm using, also from Temu. Don't sleep on the Temu nails, guys. Some of them are a bit of a hit and a miss, but these ones seem to be really cute, and this is just me putting them on. It's really easy to do. I do like the nail glue, the applicator, because it's just easy. You just swipe it on and here are the nails. How pretty are they? I do need to sort out those cuticles, but never mind. We'll do that in the next one. Love you guys.
Okay guys, I feel so zen right now. That machine is amazing. I've only used it ever on my face. You can use it on other areas of your body as well, I believe. I think you can use it like on your stomach, on your back, on your legs. It's so like diverse. But yeah, I've only ever used it on my face and I absolutely love it. It feels like having, like I said in the voiceover, it feels like having an at-home spa, and I absolutely love that. Once you put them little goggles on, everything just goes so dark, you can't see anything. So thank you so much for hanging out with me while I have just had a cozy reset Sunday. This is what Sundays are all about, guys. So this is your time to have a little bit of you time, go and take an everything shower or an everything bath, read a book, light a candle, have your favourite drink or whatever. But that's what Sundays are all about relaxing, taking time for yourself. So if you haven't for a while, go and take yourself, even if it's a little bit skincare, doing your nails, having fresh bedding on your bed and fresh pyjamas. Oh, that's adulting completely. So I will be putting on my Biodance mask, but first I've got to go and take this one. It's like gone 12 o'clock at night, but I'm just going to take her on the grass so she can go and have a quick wee just before bed. But yeah, it's crazy just what a little bit of me time can actually make you feel. That's what Sundays are all about. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. And I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, I am doing a giveaway. So we did hit 4,000 subscribers, and I am doing a massive giveaway. So you've got up until the 4th of July to enter, and then on the 5th of July I will be announcing the winner. So yeah, make sure that you're subscribed for that. So I'll put the video up here and link it down here as well, and I'll put in the description how to enter. So basically you've just got to like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what kind of videos you like seeing on my channel. For a bonus video, for a bonus entry, my mind's gone, for a bonus entry, follow me on TikTok. I just do random stuff over there if you want a little bit of a laugh with me. But yeah, if you want to follow me on TikTok, that'll give you an extra bonus for the giveaway. And like I said, I will be announcing the winner on the 5th of July, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I'm gonna go and get into bed now and read my book. So I love you so much.
This is my final step for this evening, guys, the Biodance Bio Collagen Deep Reel Mask. This is one of my official nighttime routines that I absolutely love. I don't do them often enough, but I do love to put on these masks. They are a nightmare to sleep in, so most of the time, to be honest, if I'm being honest with you guys, I do wear these during the day, but I did put this on Sunday night just before bed. But yeah, to be honest, they are a nightmare to sleep in, so normally I would wear them throughout the day, but obviously this Sunday I decided that I was going to put it on just before bed. Round about here it was like 12 o'clock at night, guys, I'm not even gonna lie. So I hope you like these kinds of videos. Let me know what the sound quality is like, and I will see you in the next one. Love you always, and have a little treat for yourself. Don't forget to do that. Love you guys. Bye.